It is Monday, November 8th. I just got home from Puerto Rico, and these waves are firing in New Jersey. Firing to the point where I don't even want to paddle out. But B Michigan's out there, so I gotta push the limits. He's stoking me up, so I guess I'll give it a shot. And for the first time in I can't remember how long, I brought the shortboard. Got the Machado, so I'm gonna give it a shot. God help me. That paddle, that was gnarly. He's a nut. Just got done a gnarly session at Bayhead. Check this out. Blew my fin right out of the socket. I lost the fin. It totally blew out. I got some epic right-handers though. I was not expecting to make it out of any of them. I was struggling for a little bit. I just couldn't find the right shoulder. I was getting frustrated. The sun's going down. I was only in for about an hour, but my gosh, I turned it on at the end of that session. Woo! This week has been mental. There's been waves all week. A couple days we're offshore, but it looks like there's still some leftovers today. Brian Michigan came back from Penn State. He got after it. John Anthony came OTB over the bridge. He got after it. This morning, I'm at Manasquan Inlet. I'm gonna meet up with John Anthony. These waves look fun. Starting to get a little crowded, but that's Manasquan for you. Let's get after it. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, he's made it. Hey, magic wand, were you gonna knock me off a wave?
Wingardium Barrelosa.
Wingardium Barrelosa. Ooh, send me the big one. Here we go. Andy?
Woo, that's sick.
Sick session. What's the claim, bro?
I feel like my arms are gonna fall off.
Those paddle outs were gnarly. It was not fun, but caught some nice waves. I think I did. I think Johnny Boy caught some nice waves. I guess we'll have to review the footage and see how we did. Gnarly session here at Manasquan this morning. It's good to see John Anthony. He came from PA this morning. The waves should clean up hopefully this afternoon. The winds are supposed to go offshore. This morning there was a little south wind. Well, I wouldn't say little. There was a lot of south wind, but there were a couple bombs out the back. Gonna eat some lunch and then we're gonna get back after it. Yes, sir. Woo! These winds are gnarly. I already know what Bayhead's gonna look like. Johnny Boy thinks I'm gonna paddle out. It's blowing like 40, dude.
So imagine how long it's gonna be held open for that big old 9 foot.
I got the Machado. Alright, that's first look. Let's see what it looks like. Oh boy, this looks scary. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't want any part of that. Oh my goodness. This week has been epic. Right when I got home from Puerto Rico, the waves were firing. There's been waves all week. Today was awesome. This morning, me and John Anthony went to Manasquan Inlet. I'm not familiar with that territory, but today was probably my best Manasquan Inlet session. Heavy claim. I don't really surf there a lot though, but I'm starting to figure out that wave. There was a couple bombs out the back, and I snagged a few. Got a little crowded, but I was able to manage it. This afternoon, we went to Bayhead. This storm came out of nowhere today. And John Anthony was texting me like, just wait for it, dude. It's gonna turn west. And sure enough, the winds turned west. It was offshore, and Bayhead just turned on and it was doing its thing. For the first hour, I was a little nervous, but after I got used to it, I grabbed the 9-foot catch surf and it was game on. And it was fun. It was fun for a little bit until it got crowded. Once it got crowded, some random people showed up and they were just yelling at everybody.
I should have dropped that off. You had no line on that wave.
This one guy was just literally calling off everyone on his wave. Daddy's gotta eat. Don't get on my wave, bro. It was a little weird. Just have a good time. Bring the stoke. That's what we're all here for. It's okay. There's another wave coming. But besides that, it was an epic session. Pat showed up. Me and John got after it. It's been fun, man. It's been a fun week. Fall is turning out to be a great season this year. This whole year, really. I can't remember a time where it was literally flat for more than 2 weeks. So it's been epic. Hit that subscribe button. New videos every week. Throw me a like. Throw some comments down below. Head on over to my merch shop. Pick yourself up a t-shirt. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Sunset Bayhead Sessions. That's what it's all about.